on my face.
Hello friends and family. We're about to journey out into I don't know how many inches of snow. A lot. It's been snowing all day. This is Charlie's first time in a blizzard. It's actually all of our first time in a blizzard. And you can see that the snow has been trying to come into our house already under the door. Charlie likes eating snow, so he's thought that that was pretty cool, but I think what's about to happen he'll think is a lot less cool.
Holy crap!
The door is it's a little tough to open.
Open the door. I can't open the door.
Oh.
I can't get out of my house. Holy crap! Oh!
Yeah, watch your step. Do you want to go through the alley or through the front?
I don't know.
If you can see this, that's our garage. There's got to be at least a 2-foot drift pushed up against it. This is pretty stupid.
Look at Charlie!
Charlie!
Look, your little merchandise almost gone. Look at this shit, holy crap! It's up to my knee. It's up to my freaking knee. Oh my gosh! Look at your dog!
It looks like a rabbit. Oh my gosh, this is crazy.
Sorry, Charlie.
Usually there's a path here.
Craziest thing I've ever seen in my
Damn. This is kind of nuts. That's our neighbor who I snowblowed and had his place looking all nice last weekend, and now look at it. It's crunk. Really, the only reason we're doing this is so our dog will do number 2, so as soon as that happens, we're going back in. This is the alley that we usually pull into to get to our garage. That would be a serious impossibility at the moment, even with the Subaru Forester. This ain't happening.
Look at our sidewalk. Charlie can't even walk.
There's some people braving the elements, traveling around.
Oh my God.
Knuckleheads. I think this is a perfect excuse to do absolutely nothing all day.
You're right. Where is all this snow going to go?
Oh, I'm getting ice in my beard, May. Ice in my beard. Carrying the dog. Too much for the dog.
Too deep. He's getting covered up. Holy mother freaking crap. Look at this crap. Oh my God. This is crazy.
There's some dudes tag teaming. Snowblow. Oh. This is pretty miserable right here, dude. Oh shit.
We should turn around.
There's some dudes stuck in the middle of the road. Damn. Holy crap.
We should turn around because it's blowing this way. Going
Okay.
up that way is going to be too hard.
Okay. We're turning. We were going to go through the front side of our house, but that's the way that the wind is coming from, so. The snow is now level with our house stoop. It is messy outside. There's Jim's little girl with no hat or anything, just running around. What are you guys doing? Charlie's like, close the door. Next to your Christmas tree.
Get some of it out of the way. Because you saw that blue truck, right?
No, I didn't.
Oh, there was a blue, like a navy blue snowplow looking truck.
It's December 11th. It's snowing crazy. You can't even see where a sidewalk or stairs or anything are. Over there on Frank's porch, just a slope. These dudes are over here, I think, snow blowing in lieu of being able to get a plow into that place. You can see how tall the snow is right next to them. Man, that is crazy. You see the snow blowing? After another couple hours, even more snow has come into the door because there's a crack now. So I'm going to go out and use that shovel, which is almost buried, and try to at least clear our porch. Look at the drift along our house. Usually there's 2 windows that lead to the basement right there, but they've been covered. I mean, this right here is at least 3 foot right there. Not of true snow, but because it's blowing everywhere. It's just pretty unbelievable out here. So I'm going to try to get at least a basic path cleared, so we don't wake up tomorrow morning and find out that we can't actually get outside of our house. So I managed to clear this, but I can already see it blowing and building back up. So you can see about how tall that is. I mean, that's could be almost 4 foot of snow as far as the drift. Good God. I don't know how I'm supposed to shovel this eventually, or even get a snowblower in here. I guess my plan to wait until it was done was pretty stupid. Because as you can see, just to get that garage door open is going to be pretty crazy come tomorrow or tonight. It's going to have to be tonight. Here you can see the path I just shoveled to get through this mess to try to get out to the garage. It's pretty deep, 2 foot deep definitely. Oh man, it's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. And this snow will be here all winter. I mean, this is as high as it usually gets after the whole season, and it's not even officially winter yet. Okay, I'm in the pitch dark garage, about to open the door and see what happens. Oh my gosh. That's like 1.5 foot of snow. 2 feet of snow. At least as tall as my tires. So now I'm going to get the snow blower going. I also saw a crazy drift around the corner here. Look at that. Looks like crazy. Look at that perfect line. Perfect line that it shot up that yard, or up that parking deck, up to Frank's porch. It's crazy. Fucking hopeless, dude. There's no point in trying to do this shit. Fuck. So I've only got 17 seconds left. All I can say is this is very frustrating. It took me about an hour to do this, mainly because you're having to go over everything twice or more, and basically we've just created ourselves into a big ass hole. Do this throughout the snowfall, not at the end.
That woman who got her shit plowed is going to be pissed tomorrow.
We're watching the plow come through. There it goes. Too late. I wasn't quick enough. Elsa said that it pushed all the snow up that I just worked so hard to get. It's all good.
Holy cow.
The good news is the plows came overnight. The bad news is they piled a bunch of snow right where I had shoveled for snowblowed. So now we have to get rid of this berm so we can get out of our garage. Winter fun. So in about a half hour I cleared maybe a third of it. Definitely enough to fit my car through, so I can go get some more gas for the snowblower and some milk for coffee. So yeah, we're making progress, but the sad thing is when the plow comes through next for the alley, I'm sure it'll just rebuild that wall again. So it's kind of a all-day process. Heading back home from the gas station where I got some milk and some gas for the blower. This is Diamond Lake. It's pretty clear. There's people off to all sides. But man, it was pretty rough getting out of the alley, so I'm kind of concerned a little bit about getting back to my house. Here you can see somebody's actually stuck on the road that I'm supposed to be taking, so it looks like I won't be getting in that way. This is crazy. Somebody with a low profile vehicle thought they were going to make it into our hood. So looks like I won't be going that way. God bless the all-wheel drive, man. Some of these people definitely are not having a very good day with their car. Hell yeah! 56th Street's looking pretty good. I have a feeling though when we approach the entrance to my alley that it's going to be a different question. I may have to just stay parked down here on 56 for a couple of hours while I continue clearing off our property. You can see this huge snow drift right here. Let's see. Oh, there's Elsa right there. There's Elsa Day right there. This is the road I should be turning down, but you can see it's blocked. Like you can't even get down our road. So main streets are looking pretty good, but side streets are still pretty crazy. Like here, imagine trying to bust a left over that. So I'm gonna park on 56th Street and walk my groceries and gas in. There's a snowblower. I had to drag it around the block because I can't get through our front yard. Oh man, you can't tell where there's supposed to be a walkway, where there's supposed to be a sidewalk. This is about to be extremely ugly. So I don't even know how many hours later this is because I stopped wearing my watch, but I've probably been at this for 3 hours. I don't know if you can see this, but this lip of my hat is frozen. Or it's not even a hat, it's a hood. So top part's nice and thawed because of my bald head. The noise of the airplanes is a lot louder now that they've started running flights. Once it snows, it just bounces off the ground, it amplifies. But so I've shoveled and snowblowed all the basics. The walks plus this little loop. I found that Scrapple really liked having a little loop to run around in the yard when it was snowed, when it was crazy like this. So since he can't go for long walks, the dogs can at least come out there to do their business, walk around. It's just been like an army of snowblowers all day, like a huge neighborhood effort. As a former paper carrier, I am dedicated to snow blowing a path for the mailman and the paper dudes, and I know how much of a pain in the butt that can be. So front stoop, pretty awesome, man. People all over the place are out doing the same thing. I can't believe that this is the same yard that it was 4 hours ago. So looking good, South Minneapolis.